Hey there, Snapchat wizards! In today's video, we're going to show you a nifty trick on how to hide your Snapchat story from anyone you choose. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're in your Snapchat app and logged into your account. Go ahead and create your Snapchat story as usual. Add your snaps, stickers, or filters, whatever you like. Now, here's the magic part. After you've created your story, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your story. A menu list will appear. Tap the Story Setting button. Choose Custom from the list of options. This allows you to pick who can and can't see your story. You can hide your story from specific people by tapping on it. When you select your friend which want to keep in the dark, tap on Block button in the bottom. And there you have it, folks. Now you know how to hide your Snapchat story from anyone you choose. Keep your snaps private and share your moments with only those you want. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more awesome Snapchat tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.